In this lesson we're going to work on writing numbers in standard form, which just means we're going to take these word phrases and we're going to write the numbers as we're used to seeing them. So for 526, I noticed that 100 is the highest place value indicated, so that means that I should have 3 digits when this number is written in standard form. Now since it says 500, it's pretty clear that the 5 should go in the hundreds place. And then 26, well, 20 is indicating the tens place, so that's a 2 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. Now moving down to this one, 703, it's similar to the last one. 100 is the highest place value given, so I know there should be 3 digits in this number. And we have a 700 indicated, so we're going to put a 7 in the hundreds place. But notice what comes next, just a 3. Up here we had 26, so it was clear that 2 went in the tens and 6 went in the ones. But here we just have 3. Well, I think it's pretty clear that 3 should just be in the ones place, right? And the phrase doesn't indicate what to have in the tens place, but we understand we're not supposed to just leave it blank, otherwise it just looks like the number 73, which clearly this is not. This is 703. So anytime we're essentially skipping over a place value, because there doesn't seem to be anything there, we need to make sure we put a 0. So of course this would say 703. Moving on to the last number here, 17,049,355. Let's first look at these words here, million, thousand. When we introduced place values, we understood that things like thousands and millions kind of had their own 3 digits within a number. Okay, and then you would follow those 3 digits with a comma. So I understand that this 1,000 should have a comma that goes with it. This million should have a comma that goes with it. And the 355 should have 3 digits that go with it. However much I have in thousands should have 3 digits that go with it. And then we'll have up to 3 digits over here. Remember, if a number we never want to start a number with 0. So if we don't need 3 digits for the millions designation, we won't use 3 digits. So what will we use? Let's look at this. 17 million. Okay, so I know how to write the number 17. So I'll just put a 1 and a 7 in front of this comma here. So there's my 17 million. That seems fine. Now we have 49,000. Well, 49 is of course less than 100, so that means I'm going to skip over to the tens place, the 10,000s place. We'll put a 4 in that spot and a 9 in the thousands place. But just like up here with 703, I do not want to just leave a blank spot in the middle of the number. So since I didn't use up the 100,000s place, I'm going to of course put a 0 there. And then finally, moving on, I've got 355. Well, a 3 clearly goes in the hundreds place, and then 55 means I'll put a 5 in the tens and a 5 in the ones.